Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive into the pound sterling and see what's been happening with cable. For the third week in a row, the pound has been on a winning streak, pushing past that key 1.3400 level. It's been a slow and steady climb, but what's really driving this move? Honestly, it's less about strength in the pound and much more about what is happening with the US dollar. The latest jump we saw in GBP USD was almost entirely fueled by renewed weakness in the greenback. The big event last week was the Federal Reserve's decision to cut interest rates. As soon as the Fed made that announcement on Wednesday, the dollar took a hit, and that gave the pound the perfect opportunity to rally. So, while it's great to see cable above 1.340, we have to remember the context. It's a dollar-driven story right now. Looking ahead, the spotlight is shifting. This week, all eyes will be on the Bank of England. The market is buzzing with speculation. Will the bow follow the Fed's lead? Will they signal a more dovish stance? Or will they hold firm? Their decision and, more importantly, the language they use in their statement will be the main driver for the pound. Any hints about future rate cuts or concerns about the UK economy could quickly reverse the recent gains. But it's not just about the central bank. We also have a wave of important UK economic data coming out. We're talking about inflation numbers, retail sales figures, and employment data. These are what we call hard data, real numbers that show the health of the economy. If this data comes in strong, it could give the Bank of England a reason to stay hawkish, which would be bullish for the pound. On the other hand, if the numbers disappoint, it will add pressure on the bow to consider cutting rates, likely sending sterling lower. So, to wrap it all up, last week was all about US dollar weakness. This week is all about the UK. We need to watch the Bank of England's meeting very closely and keep a sharp eye on the economic data releases. The combination of these two factors will set the tone for GBP USD in the coming days. Will the pound be able to hold on to its gains and push higher, or will we see a pullback from the 1.3400 level? It's going to be a crucial week. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly Forex analysis. See you in the next video.